Setting up a crypto project can face multiple compliance issues due to the uncertainties of regulation in different jurisdictions. So what are the key compliance issues? My name is Ying. I'm a professional lawyer and I'm enthusiastic about researching on legal issues around crypto and blockchain industry. In today's video, we will talk about the key compliance issues for crypto projects. The first issue is whether a legal entity is needed for a crypto project and what kind of legal entity. Although some projects are running without a legal entity, especially for projects that aim for becoming DAO, decentralized autonomous organizations, it is highly suggested to incorporate a legal entity as this should provide a great level of risk control for the founders. Generally, founders will choose to incorporate a limited liability company based on risk control and tax concerns. Foundation is also an alternative choice if the project is running for a non-profit purpose. Now the type of the legal entity is chosen. The next question is where to set up the legal entity. This is a much debated issue and question. There are so many factors need to be taken into account, such as regulation and legislation concerns, tax issues, and the cost for running the organization, and the list goes on. When it comes to crypto-friendly countries, Switzerland might be the first place that pop into our mind. With clear stance on cryptocurrency, favorable tax policies, and good crypto network, Switzerland has attracted many leading cryptographic organizations such as Ethereum, Cardano, Polkadot, Solana, and so on. Other crypto-friendly jurisdictions such as Portugal, Singapore, and Malta are also choices to consider. With the incorporation issue being ticked off, the next issue on the list is licensing. What kind of licenses are needed for a crypto project? If you look at the compliance requirements from a global perspective, majority of countries haven't adopted specific crypto licensing policies. Depending on the product and services your project is offering, e-money license and other financial licenses might be needed. For example, in Singapore, to be able to provide digital payment token service such as trading, listing, and custody, organizations need to acquire approval from the Monetary Authority of Singapore to be compliant. In Canada, since June 2020, all crypto exchanges need to register with the Financial Transactions and Reports Analysis Center of Canada, FinTrack, to meet the compliance requirements. Another important compliance aspect for a crypto project is KYC. The importance of KYC is needless to say. However, there are still a lot of crypto projects have poor attempts to set up their own KYC procedures. It is to do with the belief that anonymity and decentralization are the cornerstones of crypto projects, especially for DeFi projects. However, this approach may lead to big regulatory risks such as money laundering and terrorist financing and other criminal activities. Therefore, it is important to set up a clear and practical KYC procedure and policy. In today's video, we have touched on a few compliance issues related to crypto projects, namely what kind of legal entity should be set up and where to set up the legal entity, and what crypto licenses are needed, and finally the KYC issue. While the idea of crypto is getting more and more mainstream, there are other crypto compliance issues such as data protection, project financing, and multi-jurisdiction compliance issues are becoming important parts of crypto compliance matrix. I hope this video is helpful. If you want to know more about my ideas on crypto legal issues, please follow my WeChat channel and see you next time.